In this video, I will show you how to VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel, how to use. So firstly, we need some demo. Like we want to make VLOOKUP for school. So we need the ID in first column, in second column, name, like father name, here DOB, and here you fill whatever you need here. Now I will show you how to use the VLOOKUP. I have this dummy data, so copy. Now paste as transpose. Now enter the ID, click anyway. Now enter ID, so IPP1. Now here we will use the formula for VLOOKUP. VL, click on VLOOKUP, and now ID. In lookup value, select this ID. Now comma. In table array, select this table. Then comma. Now type ROW. Double click on it. Make this 1, comma and 0. Press enter. Click on yes. Now drag and drop this formula. If you get this type of error, so you need double click here and see the error. So select this I1, press F4. You will see this dollar sign. Now select range A1 E15, press F4. Now press enter. Now drag and drop. So this is the way, guys, you can use the VLOOKUP. If you change the ID, so it will change value. Press enter. If you see the date in this format, so click here and select short date. Like it will appear here. So this is the way to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Thanks for watching.